Hey everyone, welcome back to the Waysandhow YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us directly or through loved ones. Let's talk about the incredible power of food, specifically foods that have been shown to help fight cancer. Superfoods to the rescue. These 10 foods are proven to fight cancer, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to beat cancer with these 10 incredible foods in your daily diet. Before we start, remember these foods aren't cures, but science suggests they may reduce cancer risk. So whether you're cooking for yourself or a loved one, these anti-cancer foods could be game changers. Let's kick off our list with 1. Berries. Berries. From blueberries to strawberries, these little guys pack a punch. They're rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. A study in the journal Antioxidants found that berries can slow down the growth of certain cancer cells. So sprinkle some on your morning cereal or blend them into a smoothie. A small daily dose can make a big difference. 2. Leafy greens. Next, we have leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula. These greens are loaded with fiber, folate, and carotenoids, compounds that have shown potential in reducing cancer risk. Dark leafy greens are especially powerful, and they're super versatile. Add them to a salad, saute with some garlic, or blend into a smoothie for an easy nutrient boost. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are delicious and packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Studies have shown lycopene can help protect cells from damage and may lower the risk of certain types of cancer, especially prostate cancer. Fun fact: cooking tomatoes, like in a sauce or soup, actually boosts their lycopene content. 4. Garlic. Who doesn't love garlic? It's flavorful, and according to the National Cancer Institute, garlic has sulfur compounds that help boost the immune system and may lower the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. Plus, it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Just one more reason to add an extra clove to your favorite dishes. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is often called a miracle spice. It contains curcumin, which has been shown in lab studies to reduce the growth of cancer cells and help prevent new blood vessels from forming in tumors. Sprinkle it into soups, curries, or even your morning latte. Just a pinch a day could go a long way in promoting your health. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Next on our list, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain glucosinolates, which break down into biologically active compounds with anti-cancer effects. Try roasting or steaming them. Super easy and tasty. 7. Green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse. It contains catechins, a type of antioxidant with potent anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest green tea can inhibit cancer cell growth and prevent damage to healthy cells. Try sipping a cup or two each day. It's a simple way to give your body a little extra protection. 8. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are fiber-rich and packed with antioxidants. High fiber intake is associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Plus, whole grains have compounds like lignans and saponins, which have been linked to anti-cancer effects. Swap refined grains for whole grains in your meals for an easy, tasty upgrade. 9. Nuts. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants like vitamin E. Studies show that regular consumption of nuts may reduce the risk of colorectal, prostate, and breast cancers. Grab a handful as a snack, or toss them into your salad or yogurt for a crunchy nutrient boost. 10. Citrus fruits. Last but not least, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits contain vitamin C, flavonoids, and other compounds that help strengthen the immune system and fight inflammation. Studies have shown that these fruits can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, especially stomach cancer. Plus, they're refreshing and easy to enjoy. Before we go, we hope this journey through anti-cancer foods has inspired you to make some simple but impactful changes in your kitchen. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Try adding a handful of berries to your breakfast, or maybe swap out white rice for quinoa at dinner. Each small step counts towards building a foundation for better health. Food isn't just fuel. It's a way to nurture ourselves and the people we love. And by incorporating these foods, you're doing just that. Nourishing your body with ingredients that have been shown to reduce cancer risk and promote overall wellness. And let's not forget, there's no magic bullet when fighting cancer, but a balanced, plant-focused diet rich in these foods and other healthy lifestyle choices, like regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding tobacco can make a huge difference. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports long-term health. When we bring these foods into our daily lives, we also cultivate habits that help us feel stronger and more resilient. And for anyone going through a difficult time, making small, healthy kitchen changes can be a way to regain control and focus on wellness. Conclusion. All right, there you have it. 10 incredible foods with science-backed benefits that may help lower your cancer risk. From berries to garlic, these superfoods offer a natural, delicious way to support your health. Adding just a few of these foods into your diet each week can make a difference. And remember, it's not about restriction. It's about adding nutrient-rich options that fuel your body and might even protect you in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like it. Here's to good health. See you in our next video.